Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make clip-in hair extensions. To begin, gather your supplies, approximately 100 to 200 grams of hair wefts, a pack of small extension clips, a strong needle, and color-matching thread. You will also need a sharp pair of fabric scissors and a weft sealant. Choosing high-quality hair and clips ensures a lasting result, providing you with beautiful, custom extensions. First, lay out your hair weft and measure the sections you want to create. Typically, pieces range from 4 inches wide for small accent pieces to 10 inches wide for fuller coverage. Use your fabric scissors to carefully cut the weft, then immediately apply weft sealant to all cut edges. This crucial step prevents shedding, ensuring your extensions remain thick and beautiful through many uses. Next, place your extension clips evenly along the top edge of each hair weft section. For a 4-inch piece, 1 clip works well, while an 8-inch piece might require 3 clips for secure attachment. Using your strong needle and color-matched thread, sew each clip firmly onto the weft, making sure to pass the needle through the weft and the clip holes multiple times. Secure with a strong knot. Once all clips are securely attached, you can trim and style your new extensions to match your natural hair. Consider layering the ends for a seamless blend. To care for them, wash gently with sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner every 7 to 10 wears, then air dry. Store your extensions flat or hung up to prevent tangling, keeping them ready for your next beautiful hairstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.